Chicken wings with mango sauce. We have about 3 pounds of chicken wings here. Let's use 4 packs of sazon. Smoked paprika. Garlic powder. Salt to your taste. 1 cup of flour, black pepper. On high heat add the following: half stick of butter, ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, honey, mustard, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, add jalapeno. Mix. Add 2 cups of mangoes, 1 cup of chicken stock. Let it cook on medium heat for 3 minutes. Remove it from the heat and put it all in a blender. Put your wings in the flour mixture. Set your fryer to 380 degrees and deep fried wings for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, put your mango sauce back on the stove on medium heat and let it cook. After 15 minutes, remove the wings from the deep fry. You are done. Enjoy. Capiche?
No, get restaurant quality crispy food at home. Deep fryer link is below.